Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions. So if you have sign out is not available when you want to sign out to your Apple ID or Apple account due to restrictions, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to fix unable to sign out Apple account or Apple ID on iPhone, go ahead and click on the iPhone settings. Scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Then scroll down, locate change screen time passcode and click on it. Then tap turn off screen time passcode. Go ahead and type in your iPhone screen time passcode. Now once you have screen time passcode turned off, hit the back button. Go ahead and click on your Apple account name. Then scroll down. Now you should see the sign out button enabled. You see that? You can now go ahead, click on sign out. Type in your Apple account password and click on turn off at the top right, and then you're good. So that's how you can easily fix unable to sign out due to restrictions on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.